Once upon a time, there lived 5 children. They lived in different countries.
Tamanu was Indian,
Kia was from Hong Kong,
Dwea was from Bangladesh,
and Mongo was from Nigeria.
Rasa lived in Lithuania.
All 5 children had one thing in common: they were orphans. They didn't have enough food to eat.
They didn't have nice clothes to put on. They couldn't go to school.
They couldn't even dream about computers and mobile phones.
They missed badly their dead parents because they didn't have anyone to hug them or kiss them goodnight. One late evening, all of them were in their poor beds praying. Suddenly, a wonderful thing happened to all of them. They saw Saint Mary, the God's mother, who told them,
Christmas is coming, my dear children. You suffered a lot in your short life, much more than most of adults. But now the things are going to change. As you all know, Christmas is the time of miracles. Tomorrow you are all leaving for a magic country where children are equal and happy. They have the right to learn. They have the right to have a safe and caring home. They have the right to play.
a miracle has really happened. And now Tamanu, Kia, Dwea, Mogo, and Rasa are together in the wonderland called Edusinia. They are happy to have the children rights they deserve.